I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Granite 4.1 locally on Windows operating system. So first here, let's open this place, Google search box right there, Ollama. Then go on this ollama.com site. Clicking on this model, then you can get this Granite 4.1. This is recently launched. So this is the command you need to copy. By clicking this, you can copy this command. Thereafter, on this command prompt, let's open the command prompt. Using this CLS to clear and now pasting this command. So here you can see this is now pulling manifest. So for this one, Ollama must be installed in your system. So if I write there Ollama minus minus version. So you can see 22 version that already installed. So first you need to do the download and install the Ollama. Now you can see this here pulling manifest. This 10% that's done. 2.1 is 2.1 GB is the size. So this is now currently downloaded with this split. Okay. And in your system PowerShell must be there. So if I write pwsh minus version, then you can get your 761 version that's already installed. So Ollama and PowerShell must be installed to do the task of Granite in your Windows operating system. So this is now currently downloading. This will only take 2 minutes times to complete this download. Now you can see this place, so this command that's successful and this here 100% completed. Now you can get here, you can ask any message there. So let's type there hi. This is returning the output so quickly. Hi, how can I help you? So I don't know what to can write for. So writing there what exactly Granite 4.1. It seems like this. Oh god, returning so fastly. Particular system, operating system, how you could replace Granite 4 and this returning there. Now what exactly Granite 4.1 can do. It refers version a specific company such as Granite 4 can do. Manufacture it provides software update operating system from this on. Okay, so after that you can ask any query out there by using this Granite 4 and if I write here on this command prompt, let's write there Ollama. Then you can here chat with, so you can get this recommended here. You can also get this Granite 4. So clicking this, you can also send the message by using this. So this is how you can do here install Granite 4 4.1 on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.